Hey guys, welcome to a new video here on NailPossible. In this tutorial, we're going to create this super shiny design using reverse nail stamping. We're going to start applying our base coat. As a base color, I'm going to use this purple. I wasn't going to at first, but let's apply it on all of our nails. We clean up the cuticles. And let's add a little bit of liquid latex to protect the skin. I'm also applying it under my nails because I'm going to use a black stamping polish that sometimes is a little bit hard to clean up. I'm going to use an image from Moyo London's Arabesque collection. We remove what we don't want from the stamper. And once it's ready, I'm going to use a glittery gold to fill in some sections with a thin brush. I'm going to fill in other sections with this silver glitter. And now we stamp it. We do the same thing on the other nail. And now we can remove the liquid latex. I'm trying to remove as much as I can from the nail so I don't have that much left to clean up with acetone, because like I said, this black polish is kinda hard to remove. Now we just add a top coat. And our design is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!